You wake up in the morning, and something feels different. The energy that once pushed you out of bed now takes a little longer to show up. Your muscles don't feel the same. Workouts feel heavier. Recovery takes longer. And even focus seems to fade faster. Some days you wonder, where did that strong, sharp version of me go? This change doesn't happen overnight. It's slow, quiet, and often ignored. Until one day, you realize you're no longer the same man you used to be. And the surprising part? It's not just about aging. There's something deeper happening inside your body. Something every man over 50 should know. Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Vitalis. And on this channel, we uncover real, science-backed answers for life after 50. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and tell me in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. Now, let's talk about what's really going on. For most men after 50, this drop in energy, focus, and confidence is connected to one hidden factor: a gradual decline in testosterone. But here's the good news: it's not irreversible. With the right lifestyle, nutrition, and focus, you can reignite that lost vitality. In the next part, we'll understand what testosterone truly is, and why it's called the engine of masculine energy. Testosterone isn't just a male hormone. It's the silent engine that powers your entire system. From your muscles and bones to your energy, mood, and confidence, everything is influenced by this single hormone. When testosterone levels are high, you feel strong, alert, and motivated. Your body burns fat efficiently, your mood stays balanced, and your sleep feels deeper. But when this level starts to dip, even slightly, you begin to feel the difference. Fatigue creeps in, muscles feel soft, memory becomes foggy, and motivation fades. It's as if the spark that once pushed you forward has started to dim. And this is where many men over 50 get it wrong. They assume it's just old age. In reality, what's fading is the very hormone that keeps men youthful and driven. The reason it's called the engine is because every system, from metabolism to mood, runs smoother when testosterone is balanced. The key isn't rushing towards supplements or injections. It's about restoring your body's natural ability to produce this hormone again. And to do that, you must first recognize the signals your body gives when levels drop. In the next section, we'll explore those early warning signs. The quiet changes that most men ignore, but that clearly show your testosterone is falling. For most men, testosterone doesn't suddenly crash. It fades slowly, showing small signs that are easy to miss. You might feel your sleep isn't as deep as before, or you wake up feeling unrefreshed. Mornings no longer come with energy. Instead, there's fatigue and stiffness. You start noticing your grip feels weaker, your muscles don't look as firm, and your belly quietly begins to grow, even if your diet hasn't changed much. These are not random changes. They're your body's early warnings. Low testosterone can also show up in your mood. You may feel more irritated, less focused, and your confidence slowly drops without you realizing why. Even motivation, the drive to do things that once excited you, starts to fade. Many men ignore these signs, assuming they're just getting older. But these small changes are your body's way of saying, "I need support." If you pay attention early, you can stop this decline before it gets worse. In the next section, let's uncover what's actually causing this drop, and how your daily routine might be silently draining your testosterone every single day. So, why does testosterone start falling after 50? It's not just age, it's the modern lifestyle that quietly steals your hormonal balance. Chronic stress is one of the biggest enemies. When you stay worried or anxious for long periods, your body releases cortisol, a stress hormone that directly suppresses testosterone production. The more stressed you are, the lower your testosterone goes. Then comes poor sleep. Studies show that even a few nights of less than 6 hours of deep sleep can reduce testosterone levels by up to 15 to 20%. Late night screen time and irregular sleep schedules make it worse. Processed foods, sugar, and alcohol add more trouble. They increase body fat, damage liver function, and disrupt hormone balance. And when you combine that with lack of exercise, your body simply loses its natural drive to produce testosterone. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about recognizing these small daily habits that weaken your inner engine over time. In the next part, I'll show you how to rebuild that balance, step by step, using science-backed habits that help your body naturally produce more testosterone. What you eat after 50 decides how your body produces hormones, especially testosterone. A clean, nutrient-rich diet can literally switch your hormonal system back on. Start with eggs, one of the most complete foods for men. The yolk provides cholesterol, which is the raw material your body uses to make testosterone. Next, add olive oil and nuts, sources of healthy fats that keep your hormone production smooth and stable. Then comes one of the most powerful natural boosters. Pomegranate studies show it can raise testosterone and improve blood circulation, giving you both energy and vitality. Don't forget garlic and onions. They lower stress hormones and help your body produce more testosterone naturally. And of course, minerals matter. Zinc, found in pumpkin seeds, cashews, and shellfish, and vitamin D from sunlight or supplements, are essential for hormonal strength. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and deep-fried oils. They increase estrogen and block testosterone production. If you simply fuel your body with the right foods, it will start rebuilding itself from within. In the next part, we'll go beyond diet and look at the daily lifestyle habits that reignite your hormonal power. Food builds the foundation, but your daily routine decides how long that foundation lasts. The most powerful testosterone booster isn't found in a pill. It's found in movement. Start with strength training or body weight exercises like squats, push-ups, and pull-ups. Just 30 minutes a day signals your body to produce more testosterone and keeps muscles active. Pair that with morning sunlight. 15 to 20 minutes outdoors raises vitamin D, which directly supports testosterone production. Then comes sleep hygiene. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep. Keep screens away before bed and let your room stay dark and cool. This is when your body releases the most testosterone naturally. Another secret weapon? Cold showers. They improve blood circulation, lower stress, and boost energy. Finally, practice mindful relaxation, deep breathing, short meditation, or even quiet walks. Reducing stress means reducing cortisol, and that instantly allows testosterone to rise. These aren't temporary fixes, they're life upgrades. When you combine nutrition and lifestyle, your body doesn't just age, it evolves stronger. Even the best foods and workouts won't help if you keep repeating the daily habits that quietly kill your testosterone. The first silent killer is sugar. Excess sugar spikes insulin, increases belly fat, and lowers testosterone. Even one sugary drink a day can have long-term effects. Next comes alcohol. It weakens liver function, which is vital for hormone regulation. Frequent drinking raises estrogen levels and slows testosterone production. Then there's the modern trap: constant sitting. Long hours in front of screens reduce blood circulation, weaken muscles, and tell your body it doesn't need testosterone. Try to move every hour. Even short walks or stretching helps. And finally, sleep deprivation. Missing deep sleep for just a few nights can drop testosterone by up to 20%. Your body builds hormones while you rest, not when you're scrolling at midnight. These may seem like small choices, but they build up over time. Remove these daily testosterone killers, and your body will start healing itself naturally. You've given strength to others your whole life. Now it's time to reclaim your own. If you've reached this point, remember this: age doesn't define your strength. Your habits do. Even after 50, your body still has the power to rebuild, to grow stronger, and to feel alive again. Start small. Improve your sleep. Walk every day. Eat clean. Train your body. These simple actions might look ordinary, But when repeated daily, they trigger extraordinary changes inside you. Don't wait for perfect timing. The perfect time is now. Every step you take toward better health sends one message to your body. I'm not done yet. You've worked hard all your life. Now it's time to live strong for the years ahead. Reclaim your strength, restore your energy, and keep the fire of vitality burning within you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. And I'll see you in the next one.